Do you feel weird smell from down there every single time you visit the loo? Do you feel that because of that weird smell you have to change your underpants many times a day? Do you feel that because of that weird and awkward smell every single time you visit the loo, you have to rely upon so many washes and gels and lotions and potions and creams? Does that make you feel really, really bad about yourself? If all of the answers or if any of the above answers are in yes, this video is for you. We will be answering every single thing regarding the vagina smell. So make sure you watch it till the end. And if you are new, hi, my name is Dr. Mitali Rathod. I'm consultant obstetrician and gynecologist practicing since 5 years. And on this beautiful YouTube channel, we talk about periods, hormones, reproductive health, and so much more. So make sure you subscribe as well. कहीं ना कहीं तो आपने सुना ही होगा कि वजाइना इज अ सेल्फ क्लीनिंग ऑर्गन. इट डजंट रिक्वायर एनी एक्सटर्नल क्लीनिंग मैकेनिज्म, which is a 3.5 to 4 inches canal which opens externally at the vulva, and internally it is connected to the cervix and uterus. Now, because of this external and internal word connection, which is very much different from what men have down there, because of which we do require a specific type of protective gears. So down there we have a delicate organisms, delicate microorganisms. We have a bunch of good bacteria and bad bacteria, and they live in a perfect harmony. Symbiotic win-win type के situation में मिलजुल के एक दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं, and because of which there is a presence of acidic pH down there that fight back infection. So if you have sour, sweet, tangy smell, which suggests that you are having lactobacilli down there, because of presence of acidic pH, which is very very normal, जो दही में होते हैं वही वाले bacteria. If you are a menstruating woman towards end of your periods and towards the beginning of your cycle, because of presence of hemoglobin or iron in the menstrual blood, there is going to be a presence of metallic smell, which is very very normal. If you are not mindful about changing your period pads from down there, if you forget your entire tampon or forget to empty your menstrual cup, that is going to create very strong pungent type of smell. So no matter what period brands, be it tampons, menstrual cups, चाहे किसी ने क्या ही बोला हो, 8 घंटे, 12 घंटे, 15 घंटे, whatever they have claimed it to be, make sure that you are changing your period products at the frequent interval of 5 to 6 hours. Fishy smell from down there along with grayish type of discharge suggests bacterial vaginosis. Now there is a thin line of difference between vaginosis and vaginitis. Vaginosis means there is a delicate balance of good bacteria and bad bacteria which has altered from down there. तो उसमें ऐसा होगा that along with some abnormal type of grayish discharge, there is going to be presence of itching or scratching also down there, and after which this is going to followed by some burning while you are peeing. Whitish curd-like discharge or cottage cheese-like discharge suggests that you are having yeast infections from down there. But do not misunderstand it with 3 different reasons. First, whitish discharge just prior your periods. Second, while you are sexually aroused. And third, the increased amount of discharge somewhere around your ovulation. Okay. Now, along with abnormal type of whitish discharge from down there, there is going to be presence of intense itching and scratching also, which is very much common just prior periods. Now, along with itching and scratching, there is going to be presence of certain factors like if your sugar intake is too much, if you are falling into the pre-diabetic state or poor glycemic control, या फिर आपको diabetes है, या फिर आप swimming के बाद कपड़े change नहीं कर रहे हो, too much hot humid environment, you are not changing your undergarments frequently, then also this kind of infections arise. Frothy greenish yellowish kind of a discharge along with fish-like smell suggestive of an STI, which is sexually transmitted infections, trichomoniasis, that requires proper treatment. Fever along with abnormal very strong odor and abdominal pain are signs that you are having pelvic inflammatory disorders, and this requires need of an injectable antibiotics as well. Eating onion, garlic and pineapple will temporarily make your vagina smells like them. But this is going to be very temporary situation. पूरी जिंदगी ऐसा नहीं रहने वाला है. If you haven't wiped yourself down after peeing, या फिर आपने बहुत देर से pee hold करके रखी है, then because of that concentrated pee, that also makes a vagina smells like something odd. Abnormal kind of bloody discharge after getting intimate or abnormal foul smelling discharge mixed with blood, they are the signs that you are having cervical erosion, cervical polyps, and in rare case scenario, cervical cancer as well. So by now, I hope, wish, and pray that you have understood the nuts and bolts regarding vaginal discharge and smells from down there. But if you still have any questions, you can put them in the comments below. Now you must be wondering how to manage that excess smells from down there. So first things first, make sure that you are following regular hygiene routine. By regular hygiene, I'm not saying that you have to wash every single time after pee and you have to use faucets and jet sprays and apply that additional external force of water, but make sure that you are washing it after spreading those outer two vertical lips of your vulva with a normal or lukewarm water and regular soap. Do not use any kind of harsh products down there. 2. Switch to cotton undies and change them frequently. After your long entire day once and every single time when you are going for a swimming. Along with that, make sure you switch to plant-based detergents for washing your undies and sun dry them properly as well. It is no brainer, लेकिन अब तक तो पता चल ही गया होगा that do not use any washes, lotions, potions, ointments, gels, waxing powders and shaving foams and 100 types of elixirs down there. Your vagina is a self-cleaning organ and it is called a self-cleaning organ for a reason. Believe in that reason. Fourth and most important, avoid douching. It transmits the presence of bacteria and microbes from vagina down there to inside the uterine canal and inside the pelvic cavity as well. So avoid it at any cost. Wear flared bottoms and make sure that you are taking care of your diet and your hydration to the pro level max. If you are someone who is feeling excessive discharge from down there, which is abnormal in smell and color, along with that lower abdominal cramps, along with that, if you are having some abnormal kind of discharge after getting intimate, then make sure that you get yourself examined. See, you don't need to feel roses and meadows down there, but it has its own peculiar smell. So the genius is to know when to stop and visit the doctor and don't ignore those signs and symptoms. Are you looking for some gynae support from me? Make sure you book a consultation with me. The link is given in the description box for you. I strongly believe that this kind of information should be taught in school. But abhi unfortunately school mein to sikhaya nahi hai. So make sure you share this with all your girls in your circle and with your friends and family as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.